When homeowners in Auburn Hills look to enhance their home's comfort and reduce energy costs, they often turn to windows as one of the most effective areas for improvement. Among the many types of windows available, bay windows stand out for their beauty, functionality, and, importantly, their ability to improve energy efficiency. Bay windows are a stylish addition to any home, but they also serve as a practical solution for reducing heating and cooling costs, making them an excellent investment for homeowners looking to maximize their energy savings. What are bay windows? Bay windows are a unique style of window that project outward from the exterior wall of a home, forming a small alcove inside. Typically, they consist of a central window with two angled side windows. This design creates a wider opening in the room, offering expansive views and adding a sense of spaciousness. While bay windows are often chosen for their aesthetic appeal, they can also offer energy-saving benefits that make them particularly advantageous for homeowners in Auburn Hills, Michigan, where temperatures can fluctuate significantly throughout the year. Maximizing natural light and reducing lighting costs. One of the most immediate energy-saving benefits of bay windows is their ability to increase the natural light that enters your home. The wide, outward-facing design of bay windows allows more sunlight to flood the room, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. With natural light filling your space, you can turn off lights and save on electricity bills. In addition to brightening up your home, the natural light coming through bay windows also contributes to a warmer indoor environment during colder months. The additional sunlight can help raise the temperature inside your home, which means you might not have to rely as much on heating systems. This reduction in the use of heating systems can lead to noticeable savings on energy costs over time. Improved insulation and heat retention in bay windows can also play a significant role in improving your home's insulation, making it easier to keep your home comfortable year-round. The structure of a bay window, often with multiple panes of glass and specialized framing, helps to reduce heat loss, particularly during the winter months when temperatures in Auburn Hills can drop significantly. High-quality bay windows with energy-efficient glass can help to trap heat inside your home, reducing the need for your furnace or heater to work overtime. Similarly, in the summer, bay windows can help to keep cool air in, reducing the reliance on air conditioning. Double-glazed windows or low-E, low-emissivity glass, often used in bay windows, significantly reduce heat transfer. This insulation helps maintain a more consistent indoor temperature, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Energy-efficient window options for Auburn Hills homes. When installing bay windows, choosing energy-efficient window options is crucial to maximizing the energy-saving benefits. Many modern bay windows are made with double or triple glazing, which significantly reduces heat loss. Additionally, insulated frames and low-E coatings can further enhance a window's energy efficiency by blocking UV rays and reducing heat transfer. For Auburn Hills residents, selecting bay windows that are designed to withstand both the cold winters and hot summers is key. Windows with low U factors, a measure of heat transfer, and high R values, a measure of insulation, are ideal for homeowners who want to optimize their energy efficiency. How bay windows help with home comfort. Beyond energy efficiency, bay windows contribute to overall home comfort by reducing drafts and cold spots. By providing a better seal against the elements, these windows help maintain a more even temperature throughout your home. When paired with quality window treatments and proper insulation, bay windows can create a cozy and comfortable indoor environment year-round. Increase your home's value. In addition to their energy-saving benefits, bay windows can increase the overall value of your Auburn Hills home. Not only do they make your home look more attractive to potential buyers, but the improved energy efficiency can also be a selling point. Buyers are increasingly looking for homes that are energy efficient and environmentally friendly, and bay windows are an attractive feature that can set your home apart from others on the market. Conclusion: bay windows are a smart, energy-efficient choice for homeowners in Auburn Hills who are looking to enhance their homes. Whether it's through increased natural light, better insulation, or the ability to reduce heating and cooling costs, bay windows offer a range of benefits that make them a wise investment. If you're considering an upgrade to your home's windows, bay windows not only provide aesthetic appeal but can also make a significant impact on your energy efficiency and overall comfort.